this video, I will tell you how to open a WhatsApp account. Enter the WhatsApp application. Click on Agree and Continue. You can choose your country. I will choose only Myanmar here. Enter your phone number here to open a WhatsApp account. Click on OK. Wait for the SMS code to arrive. Click on Continue. Click on Allow. Enter your account name here. Okay. So WhatsApp account opening is complete. Let's continue to learn how to add two-step verification to make your account more secure. Click on Setting. Here you can customize your account. Here you can change your name and content. Click on Account. Click on Two-Step Verification. Click on Enable. Here you have to enter 6 PIN numbers of your choice, and note this PIN numbers. Here you can change PIN number. And then you can disable two-step verification. Click on Disable if you want. If you want to completely delete your account, click on Delete My Account. Here you can change your phone number or delete your account. Okay, this video will end with that. If you want to know more, you can ask in the comment. If you haven't liked and subscribed to the ITNet channel, please do like and subscribe.